Hello, today I am going to talk about the Reynolds Wrap Aluminum Foil. Now, some places say aluminum, I say aluminum. It is 50 square feet. Now, aluminum foil to me is a kitchen essential. And I use it to store my food, to bake on. I use it when I make baked potatoes at home, or when I'm wrapping sandwiches, or even when I'm just storing leftovers. That's what I use it for. It's really easy to bend, and I cut a piece off here. So it's very malleable paper, or metal paper here, aluminum foil. And it easily bends and folds to your needs, so you can wrap something with it, or cover something, or line something. And it doesn't heat up as quickly as most metals do, and that's what it's known for as well. It is made in the USA, and it's 16.6 yards by 12 inches. Reynolds Wrap has been trusted since 1947, and they say this is heavy duty, and I agree with that because I have had a lot of different tin foil in the past, and I just like how sturdy this is. It takes a lot to rip it. Obviously, if you put a knife in it, then you'll rip it, but if you're just tugging at it, it's not gonna rip, and that's nice for me because a lot of the time I'll travel and I'll pack sandwiches, and I don't want my, sandwich tin foil wrapper to break or anything like that and spill. So it does not puncture easily, and the box here opens up. It's a roll, and it has a pretty sharp edge, so you can cut the tin foil in more of a clean line, because it's not enough of a tin foil to cut off. There we go. But yeah, as you can see, all you do is just rip, and it goes along the seam here. So just demonstrating that. And you can also kind of regulate how much tin foil you want just by pulling on this tube of tin foil. And how long it lasts really depends on how much you use it. But I got mine about a month ago, and I still have, quite a bit here, as you can see. The, sharp edge here, I would say do not give it to children. They can cut themselves. It may not seem like it, but it definitely is sharp. Sometimes it's the last thing we think about. The cardboard box itself that it is packaged in is recyclable, so do not throw it away, recycle. And you can freeze things in it too. You can grill with it. You can make makeshift lids with it. Sometimes if I have a jar and I don't have the lid, or I lost it, I use tin foil to replace it. And you can line like a pan or a baking sheet with it. So it also, when you do that, you can help not have a mess on your hands afterwards. You just throw it away. So if there's something sticky you're working with and you're baking, sometimes putting tin foil down is one of the best things to do. And I keep mine in a kitchen drawer. I don't really take it anywhere with me. It's obviously silver metal color, and the box here is blue, and then this pink, I guess. It's easy to use, and it's really easy to access. I mean, all you do is open up the flap and take your tin foil out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new, and I would definitely check this product out.